They're anarchic, irreverent, and often disturbing. Jake and Dinos Chapman are the notorious brothers who first burst onto the British art scene in the early 1990s. Since then, they've built a reputation for iconoclastic artworks full of violence and aggression, anti-consumerist messages, and images of sexual debauchery. Here at the Sackler Galleries in London's Serpentine, they present a retrospective that shows exactly why they deserve that reputation. This is one of about 36 sculptures dotted through the exhibition of a Ku Klux Klan member. Now, when I first came in here, I really thought they might be actors, maybe performance artists. They are very uncanny and eerie. But there's something odd going on here because although they look like Klansmen, they've got smileys on their jackets, and they're also wearing rainbow-coloured socks and Birkenstock sandals. And what I love about the Chapmans' work is just that. They wrong-foot us at every turn. Just when things are starting to get dark and serious, in fact, we laugh out loud. And there's ambiguity running through the whole of this show. All around you as you wander the galleries are the most radical and surprising things. Although this piece is on its surface shocking, for me the real shock of it lies somewhere else, and that's outside the gallery. Who are the Chapmans' enemies? They are political extreme ideologies, they are over-adrenalised consumerism. It's so much of modern life, and it's the sort of things in modern life that can create these scenes of destruction. What I think this work is all about is waking us up so that we don't sleepwalk our way through 21st century life. The humour in this exhibition is sometimes puerile and even silly, but it's also deeply satirical and biting. The Chapmans want us to look closely at this work, but also leave with fresh eyes, casting a more critical gaze at the world around us. And with that incitement to action, the Chapmans prove themselves in this show every bit as relevant, inventive, and untamable as they were 20 years ago.